patience, we have no choice but to be resilient.
Correct.
It's almost a pathological resilience, because you have no choice but to move forward and continue. But what's happening in Haiti is equal parts terror, but also heroism.
Yes. Every day.
Every day. And we're talking about the terror, and you're hearing that, and we're living in terror. Our team is living in terror. Our staff that's going to work, our patients are in it. But at the same time, they're going. They're pushing forward. They're acting, because I've had team members, and I was like, be careful. They're like, if our patient's going to show up, we're going to show up, because they're not going to be there for a reason. And I want to talk, in that, it is what's happening is an undeclared war, or a phantom war. But you have warriors out there. At the same time, we have to address that we need to deal with this phantom war, and we need assistance for that. But let's also look at those warriors that are fighting for healthcare, that are saving lives, the women that are still coming for care, those obstetricians and nurses. So I am overwhelmed by our team, because there's a spirit of resiliency in the face of this unimaginable terror that we're facing. I get emotional when I think about our team. We have the wide spectrum. We have community health workers that are living in their community. Even though they're living in their community, they are still facing having to go through gang territories to get to work. So they are local that are daily going to find the women, find the children, find those HIV patients, find those TB patients, to make sure that they're getting their medicine, the social support, and all that they need. We have nurses. And I don't want to forget just about our technicians, because they're helping us. Our biomed techs, those that are keeping our generators running, starting in September when we had this fuel crisis. Yes. Our technicians were on 24/7. Our team was on 20, trying to find any bit of gas on the road. Even with, I'm on the phone with them. They're like, yeah, they're shooting. I can't talk right now. And I'm like, oh, Jesus, please be safe. Please be safe. But they're like, we have to get the fuel for our patients. Yes. I think we sometimes focus on nurses. And I'm a nurse. Don't get me wrong. I love being a nurse. Nurses and doctors. And we are there. But it is a village. It is a team that they are risking their lives to get their biomed facilities, our nurses' aides, our physicians, and our nurses, and the whole team, even our administration team, saying like, if they're going to show up, we're going to be there to support them.
Exactly.
Our clinical team, if the patient's going to show up, we're going to be there. For us, it's personal. I want people to realize that it's not just throw your hands up and resign yourselves and say, oh my God, we can't do this. Haiti's in such a mess. We're saying, oh my God, it's such a mess. Let's run into the fire.